Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will walk you through how to build and submit a healthcare claim through Availity in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a first timer or just need a refresher. Just need a refreshing method. So we have got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to availity.com, then go to their official website, this one. Then you have to log in. You have to log into your provider account. If you are new to Availity, you will need to create an account and register as a healthcare provider first. You have to tap on to accept all cookies, then log in. Once logged in, navigate to the claims and payments sections. This is where you will manage, create and track claims. Click create claim or submit a claim depending on your Availity version. You will be prompted to enter all relevant claim data. You will need to fill in patient infos like full name, date of birth, insurance and policy numbers. So that's it. Also, you have to provide NPI number and any required credential. Now you have to attach supporting documents if required, like medical records, referral or pre-authorizations. Just upload these files before submissions. You have to review the claim now, carefully verify all the fields and ensure everything is perfectly submitted. Now you have to submit the claim. Now after submission, head back to claims and payments. To monitor your claim, you will see status like pending, approved, denied or needs additional info. If the claim is denied or returned for correction, follow the on-screen instructions to fix and submit. You can also initiate an appeal through Availity if applicable. And lastly, once approved, you will receive payment from the payer. That's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.